Hey there, friends. Thanks for checking in at Top Gun Shooting Sports in Taylor, Michigan. We're going to talk about the top 5 selling handguns that they sold in 2018. A couple things about Top Gun. I like coming in here. The guys are always polite and helpful. They have 30 total lanes on the ranges, very seldom a wait, and they have a great selection. I bought quite a few firearms from this store in the past, and I really like coming in here, and so I appreciate them helping me with this video. But in 5th place, the top 5 in 5th place is the Smith & Wesson Shield. Now this is the 2.0. The Shield always has been a popular model. Many people carry the Shield. You know, it's got that staggered stack 9mm that is quite popular, but this is the 2.0, and this kind of revitalized the Shield. It got people thinking about it and carrying it, and they like the Smith & Wesson Shield, and they sold quite a few of those. In 4th place was the Glock 19X, and I can't say I'm surprised because I was here in the summer. The Glock rep was here. He said they sold 100,000 Glock 19Xs in the first 6 months. He said this was a very popular choice. I don't know if it's the Coyote Brown, the higher capacity, the Ambi mag stop, or whatever the case. People love the 19X, and the customers of Top Gun Shooting Sports love it too, because this came in number 4 for 2018. And number 3 should be no real surprise. Here we have the Glock 19. This is popular all throughout the country, but what's interesting is that we would think it would be the Gen 5. It's actually the Gen 4. People want the Gen 4, and I have a Gen 4, and I like it. You know, it does have the finger grooves on there, which people either like or don't like. I personally don't. I had those removed, but the 19 is a very popular carry choice, home defense choice. It's an excellent all-around firearm. People are recognizing that, and this is coming in 3rd place at this store. In 2nd place is the SIG P365. And actually between this and 1st place is very close, only difference of a couple sales, but people are loving this. I know SIG had some original problems. I talked to the SIG rep. They you know, machined it too tight when they first got it, and they first put it out. They cut production. They put the XS dot sights on there, night sights, and they dialed down some of the tightness of it, and they claim they have all the bugs worked out. I think people are liking it. They like the 10 rounds in the magazine. Still a very much subcompact gun, and SIG got it right. You know, they said they started with the magazine first and built the gun around the mag. They wanted that subcompact gun with a larger capacity than the average subcompact 9mm. But this is very close, and this is the Glock 43. This is very close. Only a couple differences between the P365 and the Glock 43, but they sold more of the Glock 43 than any other model. And, you know, it was interesting because when the Glock rep was here, I thought for sure the Glock 19 would be their best seller. He said it always has been until they came out with their single stack 9mm called the Glock 43. And Top Gun Shooting Sports sold more Glock 43s than any other handgun in their shelves. And if you're actually ever here, you'll see that they have a large selection. This was number 1, the Glock 43. Many people love it, and for many years people wanted that single stack 9mm from Glock, and Glock delivered with the 43, and people are loving it. They must be. They're certainly buying it quite a bit. So that's it, guys. The top 5 selling handguns at Top Gun Shooting Sports. If I had to guess, I would say it's pretty consistent like that all across the board. Maybe in a different order, but it would be close. If you like videos like this, please subscribe and share. I always appreciate thumbs up button. Thanks for watching, and you guys be safe.